Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the super cute yellow dress for free in Heartopia. So first, you'll need this quest, which is the Gossip Love Story quest. So gossip quests are unfortunately very random, and sometimes you are able to trigger it, sometimes it's just random, I guess. But just in case you get this quest, make sure you have roses planted. You'll need 2 red roses, and so you don't have to go back and forth to get it. I thought I only needed one, and it turns out my house was very near and I teleported. Anyways, but you need to actually harvest the red roses, and then you'll be able to give it to the passionate girl. So do that. Then, once you've harvested 2 roses, make sure it's two so you don't have to go back and forth. You will need to go to Passionate Girl, and then she is going to give you like a garland first. And then, once you have that reward, she's going to tell you to go to like the gazing boy. Then, you will give another rose to him. And once you've done that, you're just going to go back to the passionate girl, and then you're just going to talk to her again. Then she will give you a yellow dress as the reward. It looks like the one that my character is using in the thumbnail, but yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!